What is she doing? She doesn't even know I'm videoing her. I caught you. Hmm? Okay. Just in Carter, let's put it down. Hold on your hand. Hold on your hand. Oh my goodness, you can't listen with your hand. Ooh. Hi, Lizzie, Lizzie. Justin caught you. Where is his hand? Put it outside. Sean, come here. What the hell? So you have your phone, the laptop open,
No, I'm not using
the TV is on.
this. I'm not using this.
So why is it on?
Because I forgot to lock it down.
You're using three devices at once? What is going on?
One, two, three. What
Hmm.
the hell? I forgot to say stuff. Hey! Rabbits can't swim.
So this is a rabbit?
No, that's just silly.
So it's calling you a rabbit?
No, this is a rabbit. I was controlling.
Hmm.
My head is hurting.
Head hurting? You can see your hair look white through the reflection. Do you guys one question? Why is the TV in your room playing and nobody's watching it?
Why do I use it?
Why you go turn for TV if you're not using it? Oh, this is the state of the living room. Hey, as I'm looking at this would look nice on the dining table chair. Yes, look at that. It would look. I'm definitely gonna buy a piece for this. This would look really nice on the dining table chair. What do you think, guys? Don't to match up with this over here. So we're making the cushions for the Sectional. Demo. Yeah, this nice.
Should I video Dad?
Yeah, Daddy must video.
It is I,
Tough, no?
the man who can do anything. Mommy,
Hmm?
I'm getting every angle of Dad's face.
Here.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
Don't
This-
video me, video
When I
that.
give away all of my cuteness for a line, let me have that.
No, when me have it.
Stop
What is it about you have
What are you
something?
gonna
I
do?
didn't hit you.
This is nice. Perfectly nice. Perfectly done.
That is really nice. Subscribe to Sparkles.
Oh yeah, has sparkles.
Subscribe to me.
Wow.
Subscribe to Clean Mommy. Wait.
No fool. Sorry, Maya. Sorry. Sorry. Come.
This a bag of bag can make it, you know?
No, no, cause over there. So
Sponge.
yeah. I can make it back one them then.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Yeah. Everything I want might be a miracle. No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know.